Welcome back. I'm Lena Girl. This is Maleko, today's celebrity guest co-host, and it's time for some shakas and shoutouts. Hey, shakas and shoutouts to Boy Scout Xavier Ito. He is striving to become an Eagle Scout while helping his community by coordinating a sustainability and composting workshop.
Way to go. Shakas to you. Saturday, October 18th, head over to Alva Scott Elementary Cafeteria starting at 10 a.m. for a family-friendly free event. Enjoy workshops about soil health, vermicast composting, and bokashi composting. Childcare for school-aged children is available, and the first 50 families will receive free bokashi composting kits.
Now, the event is free, but you must register to receive a free kit and to take advantage of the free childcare during the event. Very big mahalo to Xavier Ito, a senior at Kamehameha Kapalama, for creating this awesome event. And shakas and shoutouts to the University of Hawaii at Hilo. October is Filipino American History Month, and they're celebrating with a free event, the Hilo Barrio Fiesta.
Yay! All right, it's going to be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Saturday, October 25th at UH Hilo's Campus Center Plaza. The free event features Filipino food trucks, music and cultural performances, family-friendly children's games, art exhibit, karaoke, and a balut eating contest.
Woo! You ever eat balut?
No, I go lose. I lose.
Mahalo to the Hawaii Association for Filipino Educators, the Samahang Club of Hawaii CC, the Bayanihan Club, and the Filipino Studies Certificate Program of UH Hilo for this great event celebrating our Filipino community. Now, for more information about the Sustainability and Composting Workshop or the Hilo Barrio Fiesta, go to kitv.com/links.
And finally, some shakas and shout-outs to the Kunia Chinese restaurant. They're celebrating the Big 2-0, sharing their delicious dishes for 20 years with Oahu families.
And to celebrate, they're offering a special for the month of October. It's their Kunia Pack, loaded with their most famous grinds: egg drop soup, crispy gaoji, orange chicken, beef broccoli, walnut shrimp, fried rice, and chicken chow mein.
I'm so ono for that right now. All of that serving 4 to 6 people, or just us, for $99. It's their celebration, and you're getting the deal. Sweet! So give them a call, or call them, or visit their website to make your reservations or orders, because they do get booked up fast.
That's right. Visit KuniaChineseRestaurant.com. And up next, find out who's trying to be the X-Men's new Professor X.
Cool.
You gotta hear this.